Hello everybody! Welcome to Pirogue Island State Park. I'm Kate from KatyDid, and today we are going to go agate hunting on the Yellowstone River. Come along. So many beautiful rocks. This is just a plain old piece of lava. And that's a plain old piece of devilstone. Kinda neat. Kava the Rockhound strikes again, showing me where the agates are, right where she walks. Oh wow, that one's got bands in it. That's neat. Very cool. I picked this up because I thought it was not that great of an agate. But instead, it's a really pretty piece of petrified wood. Agatized. Oh, that's very far down. I wonder how I'll get down there. I guess I'll jump. That's kind of a cool rock. Wonder what made those indents. There's more on the other side, so I don't think they're human-made. I think it's some kind of natural occurrence. It's pretty cool though. Not positive, but I think this might be a giant piece of agatized wood. Let's wash it off and see. Whoa, the rocks are hot today. Oh boy. I don't know. Could just be jasper. I don't see a lot of really strong wood grain. Yep, too big for me to take the chance. Pretty sure this is another near agate. But you know, they fooled me before, so I always try to check them out. Yeah, see, that one's got a lot of other minerals in it, so it probably isn't anything interesting. And then this guy is just pure kind of quartzite. This is a jasp agate, I guess. But look at those bands in there. Looks so boring this way, doesn't it? And then pow! Well, here's one that I'm betting is an agate. Not very big, but it's agate-y. Oh, it's got some bluey stuff in there. Maybe I need to learn to use the right words, huh? But it looks like there's an inclusion right in the center too. That's nice. That's a nice little piece of Chalcedony. Nice and clean. This one was buried in the mud, and when I washed it off I realized it has some of that red banding in it, or the red inclusions. So I'm going to call it an agate. Ooh! I like it when I spot them and they're covered with silt and then I spray them off and it's like, phew. That's a pretty one. Just taking a little break sitting in the shade. It is very, very hot today and the sweat keeps dripping over my glasses and I think I'm gonna have to invest in a sweatband. Today's the day for picking up little tumblers, I think. I'm at a place where it's one of the larger towns in Montana, even though that's not really saying anything. And lots of people either float by here or come hiking here and look for rocks. So I found some really nice things here, but I'm not really expecting to find anything fabulous. There is this wonderful, just deep vein of gravel that goes all the way along the river, and it's exposed here so you can see kind of what happens when the river washes up and over it. Well, except for the seaweed, that's really a pretty one. Oh, look at that! That is super cool. Oh, I love that. Yeah, there's a little limb cast. That's really pretty. You can't tell, it just looks dark. So I'll cut it so you can see it. Oh, there's another one. None of them are very big, but there's a lot of them. We've come a different direction this time, and I have discovered, actually I knew from looking at Google Maps that there were gravel bars on this end that I hadn't seen yet. And so I decided to try to come down this way. We can't spend a whole lot of time because we're actually going to race home so we can have a Zoom meeting with my parents. But meanwhile, let's take a look and see what's here. This is one of those agate imposters that we hate so much. At least it's not devil stone. Oh, this feels so good. I was so hot. See, these always fool me. Or the dark rocks with the silt on them look like agates to me in the water, and they're not. So we'll go over to the gravel bar where at least I know what agates look like. Ooh, that's a pretty piece of jasper. I thought it was a piece of petrified wood, but I think it's just jasper. I'm not going to carry it home right now. It's too far to walk. I haven't picked up any nice pieces of petrified wood today. This is a nice one. That's a pretty glowy thing. It's even got inclusions in it. Nice. I just was starting to feel like I'd found paradise and only had 10 minutes to look, and this is what I found. It doesn't look much like much now, but you just wait till I get it in the water. Still can't see much, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous Montana moss agate. This is what you're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. Well, that was a little more hiking than hounding, I'm afraid, because we had a lot of walking in the heat. But I found some really awesome things. I think we got some really awesome drone footage, and I got to spend some time with my husband. So, you know, it all works out. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.